Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you for using the new Precision Press Advanced Stamping Tool. Let me show you some projects and I'll share some features of the tool with you while I do that. First of all, this tool is great for layered stamping. You can use multiple plates. We actually sell the plate with the base as well as separately. So if you want to do different layers, you don't have to switch stamps out every time. You can use multiple plates. Makes it really easy to do repeated stamping and to do different designs, mirror image stamping, to make backgrounds, because you can rotate this plate around 360 degrees and fit it into that peg system to get accurate stamping every time. Another feature I love is this removable foam pad. So if you like to stamp with a pad, you can have that option. If you don't, you can take it out. Now I'm going to show you how to use this without the base, because you can use that as just an acrylic plate to stamp with. And what I love about it is it has these rubber pieces on the corners rather than foam, which allows a lot more stability when you're pressing the plate down to stamp. So your image is always perfect. So let's go ahead and learn how to make this pretty mixed media card. And when I made the card, I used the beautiful Vicki Boutin stamp and die sets, and I used the stamps from that set. So we're gonna go ahead and make that. Go. Super easy, simple stamping card that makes it look like you're a pro. I know I struggle with stamping sometimes, but the Precision Press Advanced makes me feel like I'm an expert. So thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers.